Hi there, my name's Artie, and I'm your friendly neighborhood voiceover guy. If you're back for more visual and audio punishment, then it's good to see you again. And if it's your first time here, maybe stick around for a bit, you never know, it might get better. This is part 6 of the CBR project, and today I'm joined by my good friend, Fish. If you saw the warm-up video to this, then you already know Fish. But I know, absolutely nobody watched it. So this is Fish. Hi Fish, how are you doing, old friend?
Hey Artie, less of the old. I'm 3 weeks younger than you. Hee hee.
Oh yeah, you got me there.
Yeah, I'm a spring chick. But seriously, thanks for having me back. Especially after our last video tanked. Hee hee.
Hey, don't worry about that. All of this guy's videos have tanked.
Oh well, he must just enjoy making them.
A glutton for punishment, if you ask me. But hey, he pays well, so I'm happy with it.
Artie, should we be doing the voiceover on this video by now?
Yeah, you're right, but don't stress too much, Fish, because you know what they say, a picture is worth 1,000 words.
Careful, Artie. Talk like that will put you out of business, hee hee.
Yeah, you're right, Fish. I'd better make an effort. So, the guy's still making slow progress, but I suppose these before and after shots show that things are moving a bit. What do you think, Fish?
Well, I have to say, Artie, that it's all starting to look quite promising. I'm really looking forward to seeing it finished.
Well, you never know, miracles do happen, just don't hold your breath.
So what's new on the bike in part 6?
I'll just grab my notes and have a look. Okay, so, the newly refurbished wheels have been fitted. They've both had new bearings, seals, and discs fitted. The new exhaust headers, the link pipe, and the tailpipe have all been fitted properly.
I have to say, I do like the look of that pipe. I have a feeling it's going to sound pretty cool too.
Yeah, your cool is probably my too noisy. But I suppose I'm just a grumpy old git, hee hee. So what else is there? Okay, a bigger rear sprocket and smaller front sprocket have been fitted to make the gearing a bit more track focused. Also, the original footrest hangers and heel plates have been painted and new foot pegs and a back brake lever fitted. The refurbished rear caliper and braided brake line are now on, with a race-style, fluid reservoir pipe added to complete the back brake setup.
I gotta say, Artie, it's all a vast improvement on the old. Did I notice the rear caliper hanger's been painted black to match the new swing arm?
Oh yeah, I missed that. Well spotted, Fish. Hey, Fish, we need a new tune. Do you want to choose one?
Yeah, I sure will. How about this?
That sounds good to me, nice and chilled. So, overall, a few things have been done on the old bike. Fish, what's your thoughts on it?
Well, it looks like the main thing left to do now is the bodywork. Do you know what the guy's plans are for that?
We've had a sneak preview of the front mudguard, so I guess it's going to be something along those lines.
Oh yeah, it had a Repsol sticker on it, didn't it? So I guess that gives the game away?
Yeah, no doubt the guy bought some cheap, second-hand Repsol bodywork off eBay. So time will tell if it looks any good.
Artie, tell the guy to hurry up. I want to see it finished. I love a nice, race rep sports bike.
Oh man, I keep pestering him to get more videos done, but all I get back is,
I'm busy at work and struggle to fit the YouTube stuff in.
Wow. Artie, I love your English guy impression.
yeah, it's a little party trick of mine, hee hee. Hey, Fish, I'll let the video run for a bit, my voice cords need a rest.
No problem, Artie. I'm happy to have a good look at what's been done. And hey, I'll just chirp in if I see anything interesting. Like this race brake reservoir, for instance. And that back wheel sure looks a whole load better.
It's a good job I don't wait for anything interesting to come along, because there wouldn't be much to talk about, hee hee.
Artie, I sometimes wonder how you're even in this line of work, hee hee.
Just following the money, my friend.
Oh yeah, Artie loves his money, that's for sure.
Well, they say it makes the world go round. And I believe them.
Artie, we need a new tune.
You carry on, my friend, carry on.
Okay, what have we got? Yeah, this'll do. I do like the old and new video clips. It really shows how much better the bike is looking.
I have to agree, getting rid of the cobwebs and rust was a good idea.
Yeah, lose the cobwebs, lose the rust, fit new parts. It seems to be working. Oh look, you can just make out the newly painted caliper hanger. It matches the swing arm and looks good.
The guy definitely likes his black paint, doesn't he?
If the guy is going to use this bike on the track, is he going to upgrade the rear shock?
I seem to remember him saying something about an upgrade, but I also remember him saying a new shock was a bit pricey, so we will see.
Just out of interest, Artie, You know how much the guy has spent on this project?
No, he won't let on. I think he's scared the wife might find out and stop feeding him. Or maybe even worse, hee.
Speaking as a married man who has spent a lot of money on motorcycles, I totally understand where he's coming from. Some things are best left unsaid or completely lied about. Hee.
Oh yeah. Amen to that. So, Fish, what are you hoping to see in part 7? When it eventually gets done.
Well, like I said, it seems it mainly needs the bodywork fitted now. So that would be good to see. Anything more than that would be a bonus.
Well, don't get your hopes up for the bonus, but yeah, even I can see the bodywork is the main thing.
It's starting to get a bit late in the year now, so I don't suppose the guy will get it out on track this year.
No, I think he's aiming for next year now. He's got his old bike for the rest of this year.
Oh yeah, I saw the track day video of that.
Oh, so you were the viewer, hee.